This playlist is about using the Thunderbit web scraper to extract email, phone, and other data from online directories. If you're unfamiliar with Thunderbit and you need to learn how to install it to your Chrome web browser, you can find a link in the comments. And we'll make it clear at the beginning, this Thunderbit extension works only with the Chrome web browser. So let's look at a couple of examples. So here's the faculty directory for the ASU School of Earth and Space Exploration, and it's 114 faculty members with their email and phone information all on one page. And you can very easily, if you want to, just get the email information. So here's a Google Sheet with just the emails for these 114 faculty members. Or you can get more detailed and create a Google Sheet with the names, emails, and phone numbers of the faculty members, the 114 faculty members. Here's the directory for the faculty at the Greenlee School of Journalism at Iowa State University. This is set up a little differently. You have only a few faculty members per page, and then you have to jump to the next page to find more faculty members. But Thunderbit can deal with that, and it can look through all of the pages and give you a Google Sheet with the name, email address, and phone number of every faculty member.